How do you know if a CE mark on a Chinese product is legitimate?
Hi, I'm Stanley from RLKGroup. CEmark is a very tricky part of how to know if it's legitimate or not, because there is no certification about CE, because CE stands for European Conformity. So you just declare you conform to the European standard. That's it. So there is no certification. However, you can still spot some fake CE logo or maybe fake declaration of the CE standard. For example, the CE logo is a two overlap circle. So they actually C and E, the space between is a bit further away. For the fake CE logo from China, the C and E is relatively close together. On the other side, there is a declaration on conformity. You have to ask the supplier to provide a declaration about the conformity of the new standard. If they refuse to provide it, that means they know something the product might be out of quality. For example, the REACH compliance, the REACH certification, you have to ask the supplier to provide a declaration that it is conform to the EU standard, even though you have the REACH certification already. If the supplier cannot tell, they cannot provide the certification or the declaration of conformity, that means the product is not in standard. They are not in quality. On the other side, even though there is no certification, we can ask the supplier to provide test report on the product. The test report, it depends on the different product. For example, for plastic product, they will need REACH certification. For paper product, they might need the FSC certification. The FSC certification is not a test report. This is another certification about the paper wooden product. On the other side, you can also check with the lab directly. For example, if the supplier can provide a certification or the confirmation of declaration, or even though they can provide the test report, you can just call the laboratory and ask for the legitimate of the certification or test report to make sure that it's a valid test report and certification, to make sure the product is legitimate. Contact our RLK Group because we can help you out. We can check with the supplier, we can visit them, we can make sure the product they made is according to the standard. We can contact the laboratory to make sure the product is legitimate.